Thank you for checking out our training videos. This is Barry Ivy with CDRAFT, Casework Drawings. And this video is going to be on our wall cabinet commands and recent upgrades. As you can see, we have 4 commands, a W0, 1, 2, 3. So we have an open case, a hinge left, hinge right, and a double door unit. These work very similar to our other cabinet commands, so let's take a look. So let's run the SA command and get loaded up. Scale of a 1/2 inch. Not going to change the sheet. Do a Z2 to zoom in on sheet 2. Let's TG and insert a tag. And when we insert that tag, as you remember if you've seen our previous videos, it creates 2 auto insert points. One down at the top right hand corner of the offset square and one 84 inches above. That 84 inches is global and it can be changed. And let's just see where that is. So let's do a W2 for a wall cabinet double door. 36-inch width. We'll go height of 30 inches, 2 shelves, 4 cabinets. Not going to switch. We've already got an auto insert. And there's our 4 boxes. Keep in mind our auto insert point has now shifted for wall cabinets over to the far right hand side of that last wall cabinet. This is how simple using the wall cabinets are. We have recently added some capacity, a couple of functions. If you need a filler and if you have a soffit, we have programmed that in. So to get there, let's go to our AutoLisp editor, and I've pulled up our master sheet for wood side. And you'll notice if you can see the cursor right here at filler height, I'm going to change that to 1 inch. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom and you'll see ceiling height of 108. Let's change that to 96. And soffit height, let's make that 12. Alright, so we've added a 1-inch filler, we added a soffit of 12, and we decreased by 1 foot our ceiling height down to 8 feet, which is 96 inches. So let's save this file, go back to AutoCAD, and let's load that file, so the changes we just made. So SA 4, 1, 2 for 1/2 inch, don't care about the sheet, there we go. Now what's going to happen is, let's run a filler command, 1 inch wide, filler's fine for now. We don't need a countertop height, so let's space bar through. Now, since we're going to have a situation here with a fillet, or I'm sorry, with a soffit, when we type in the counter or the cabinet height, think of that as the bottom of the soffit. So that's going to be 84 inches. Then we're going to do the case height of 30 inches. Can be whatever you need it to be. All right, and then we're going to pick our insertion point. Now notice a couple of things. First off, this wall now is 96 inches. It's 8 feet. And our dimension now is not at the filler, but it has been moved up 12 inches. So you have a new ceiling height of 96 inches. And so what's going to happen is now, when our wall cabinets come in, there's going to be a 1-inch filler at the top of the wall cabinet, but also our dimensions are going to come in on the actual ceiling line. So let's run the W2 command again, just like we just ran a minute ago. Same everything. We'll go 36 wide, 30 tall. I didn't have to do it because I already put it in, my bad. 2 shelves. Let's go 4 boxes. Not going to switch. Auto insert. And looky here what we get. You have the 1-inch filler. And you have the 12-inch soffit. This is very simple as far as it's not that big a deal to modify, but if it draws it in for you automatically, and if you saw how easy it was to go into the master sheet, make those 3 changes. We simply changed the height of the wall, we added a filler of 1 inch, and we added the soffit height of 12. Now there's no modifications, you have a finished product, and you can go about your business. This is Barry again with CDRAFT. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.